And so this is a photo printout on plain paper from the HP Envy Inspire 7255E printer. Introducing the HP Envy Inspire 7255E printer. This is a HP Plus printer that comes with 6 free months of instant ink included with HP Plus. This is an all-in-one that is able to print, scan as well as copy, and it comes with a dedicated photo tray. This model is a scaled down version of the HP Envy Inspire 7955E printer. This comes with only the flatbed scanner, whereas the 7955E printer comes with an automatic document feeder. Check out the link for the review of that printer. So we're going to unbox this and set it up, get it connected to the wireless network, activate HP Plus, as well as enroll in HP Instant Ink. So this is what you see once you open up the box. We're going to remove its contents and show you what it contains. So these are the items in box. Once you have removed the printer from the box, it has got the printer itself. It comes with a power cord, a set of instant ink ready setup cartridges, and also has got the setup guide, the reference guide, an instant ink flyer, as well as the limited warranty flyer. After removing all the tapes from the printer, one area you need to take note is that you need to remove the cardboard restraint from the carriage area. There's a piece of cardboard here that we need to remove. This is for the carriage. So let's power on the printer by connecting the power cord and turning it on. So this is the cable that we need to plug into the power port located at the back of the printer. With the power cord plugged in, let's turn on the power at the wall socket. You can see that once the power is turned on at the wall socket, the printer will power up. So this is what you see once the printer is powered up. We'll select English. We'll confirm. For the country selection, we'll select USA. Next, we need to get the HP Smart software to continue setting up the printer. Before installing the HP Smart app using your Android phone, let's install the inks into the printer. So this is a set of instant ink ready number 64 tricolor as well as black cartridges. So we'll remove the inks, peel off the protective tape. Be careful not to touch the nozzles or even the contacts itself. Do the same for the color cartridge. Open up the ink access door. Load in the ink cartridge with the black on the right carriage. Push it all the way in. Repeat for the tricolor cartridge. Then close the scanner lid as well as the front cover. Next, let's load in some paper. Open the input tray, slide the guides to the side, take a stack of plain paper and put it into the input tray as shown. Push back the input tray. Now that we have installed the ink cartridges as well as paper, let's start up HP Smart on our Android phone. If you need the app, simply go to Play Store, do a search for HP Smart, download and install. So let's add our first printer. We'll set up a new printer. You'll be connected via Wi-Fi. Here are some instructions to prepare the printer. Let's continue. It has found our printer. Select that. Key in the Wi-Fi password. Once the Wi-Fi password is keyed in, let's continue. We need to tap on the check mark on our printer display. Let's allow. The printer is connected to Wi-Fi. Let's continue. Let's accept all. So our country is USA. Let's continue. So let's activate HP Plus. So you need to create your HP account. Let's redeem 6 free months of HP Instant Ink. Let's continue. Once that is done, select Continue. Tap on this checkbox over here and Enroll. We have enrolled for Instant Ink. Let's continue. The setup is complete. On the control panel, you can see there's a prompt to align the print head for best possible print quality. Let's continue. The alignment is successful. You can discard or recycle this page. Let's print a photo. We'll select this photo. Let's print. And so this is a photo printout on plain paper from the HP Envy Inspire 7255E printer. For print from other devices, we'll select Not Right Now. And so, this is how you unbox the HP Envy Inspire 7255E all-in-one printer. We have shown you how to install the ink cartridges, load paper, set up with HP Smart App, activate HP Plus, enroll in HP Instant Ink, and print a photo.